Oh my gosh, I think I just screwed myself because I do not have any Dawn dishwashing soap. If you guys don't know, Dawn dishwashing soap takes color off your skin. It leaves your skin looking like you never colored your hair. I'll show you a clip real quick, and I'm going to show you an alternative we're going to try and pray it works. If you're like me, and if you know, sometimes you can go out and then you have these stains of black. While the color's processing, I still have like 20 more minutes of wearing this color. So what you do is you take this soap and you put it all over. You do not dilute it. Anywhere that you actually have that color on your skin, you do not dilute it. This is a very, very old trick that us hairdressers use. I know I'm giving away all the tricks, so hopefully those you hairdressers out there don't chew me out like you did my last video. Okay, so we just have the soap here. You guys can see it. And I'm just going to be placing it on the skin where the color is. After I shower, I'm going to show you guys how my skin is not like stained. Dawn dishwashing soap, and it's like foolproof. So I don't want a line. I want it to be shaped into my hairline. So I'm going to kind of just go like that, leaving the soap on my skin. And I will show you guys. Now, you can, if you want, you can actually work the soap into a lather. Do not add any water. This will not work if you add water into it. I'm going to shower in about 20 minutes, come back and show you guys whether it stained my skin or not. But I've used this method for years. I hope you guys like this little tip. If you like me doing like these little hair tips, let me know in the comment section down below. I will see you in like 22 seconds, which is 20 minutes. So I just want to turn on the camera really quick and show you guys. So when you bring it into a lather, remember, not adding any water. Look how it's already removed the majority of stain on my skin, but you can still see these stains. Now let's see if they actually all come off. And here's another tip. When you're washing your hair, make sure that you keep your gloves on. Otherwise, the color will get under your fingernails and stain your nails. So if you keep your gloves on, I know they're gonna get full of water, especially if you're in the shower like me, but it won't stain your nails. And then you just rinse off the gloves and reuse them. So I'm out of the shower, and check it out. They even get really close up. You see how it didn't even stain right there? Nope. My neck was full and my arm was completely covered. And I have no dye left on my skin. Okay, so that was Dawn dishwashing soap. It looks amazing. I'm coloring my freaking eyebrows. I don't want to look like the Cookie Monster, the Grouch, or whatever it is. The one that has really big eyebrows, right? So I cannot believe I ran out of Dawn dishwashing soap doing this. So I found a clarifying shampoo. We're going to do the same thing with the clarifying shampoo, right? So we're going to put it in the back of the glove, and we are going to work this into the skin. Look at this. It's all over my freaking neck like crazy. Okay, but I'm concerned about my eyebrows more than my neck and my forehead. So let's see here. I put the soap on an angled brush, okay? And I'm going to try to clean it up. And we're going to pray that I did not stain my skin all over looking this crazy. Now you cannot dilute this. That is a must. If you dilute your shampoo, it is not going to work. Okay, now what you're going to do, you're going to take your finger or a brush, right? And we're going to put this, you know what, I'm going to take my freaking finger. You know, I'm just going to take my finger. Okay, we're going to get the clarifying shampoo, and we're going to work it in to the skin and hope, son of a gun. And this is one of those boxed hair colors that are supposed to help treat like resistant gray and stuff. So it is going to have some mad staining power. Word of advice, do not touch your actual hair. Just put it on the skin, because it will stop working if you touch your freaking hair like I just did. Son of a gun. Okay. So, you know what? That's why it's good to get a Q-tip, which we should have been using this whole time. And you're going to push it into the skin, and you're going to cut out your hairline. So try not to touch your hair once again, and use a good amount of pressure when applying this. So this should leave our hair and our skin looking good, hopefully, because if you have the Dawn dishwashing soap, that is the go-to for me because it works 100%. Oh, like getting it. Hand. I got surgery on my hand. Just let it dry, okay? Just let it dry like this. I know you're gonna look crazy, but it should work. Hopefully it works. Okay, so I know I put my makeup on, but you would be able to tell if my skin was stained because you would see this line right here, my hairline back, and you don't see any of that, like my neck. Now, I will say this. It worked, right? Did it work as good as my Dawn dishwashing soap? No, but this worked like amazing. And the reason I say it didn't work as good as the Dawn dishwashing soap is because in some spots, like here, I feel, just my opinion, I mean, you guys let me know. I feel like maybe that's my hair. Maybe there's a little bit, tiny, like a 2% of a shadow. You know, right here I had a ton of it as well. That's hair right there. But I think overall it worked fantastic. So if you're trying to get the dye off your skin, clarifying shampoo works just well. Now, if you're watching this after the fact that you've already stained your skin, gotten out of the shower, and you were like, what in the world? What I will tell you to do is get a serum and really moist, a serum, guys. A serum's not a moisturizer. A serum says serum on it. The reason it says serum, it has a smaller molecule. And what you'll do is you'll moisturize that serum into that skin that's stained. Moisturize, right? Like not why I say moisturize. Massage. Like move that into the skin. When that's all penetrated through, get a moisturizer, right? It has to say moisturizer. And massage that on top of it, right? Try to stay within the same family of serum, moisturizer, right? So if you do a hyaluronic acid, do a hyaluronic acid serum, hyaluronic acid moisturizer, if you can do that, right? Okay, so your massage, like let that absorb as much as possible. Go get some coconut oil or some olive oil. Get that and massage it on top of that. Yes, I know it's many steps, but I'm telling you, this is the best solution of trying to get it out of the skin. It's in the skin and it's staying in the skin because you penetrated like dry skin. You literally drew on top of dry skin and it penetrated through and it stained onto the skin. So what we're trying to do is hydrate that skin so that you can pull it off, okay? So you do that, moisturize. Like you're gonna look like a greasy mess. You truly are. You're gonna look like you've never washed your hair because it's gonna be everywhere, right? But you're gonna moisturize, massage. It's going to fall. It's gonna get in your hair, whatever, right? Leave it on for many hours and then go back into the shower with your Dawn dishwashing soap and massage only the skin, not the hair. Only the skin that's stained, and I'm saying not the hair because you don't want the color that you just put in your hair to come out. So only the skin, like, and wash, okay? And that should come out. So that is my best advice. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and let me know, please, in the comment section if this worked for you or not. But you can see it worked for me. So I love you guys. Remember, God loves you. You are a masterpiece. You are original masterpiece, and always remember that, because you know what, you're not like me, I'm not like you, we all are unique and individual, and that's the way it's supposed to be. That's the way God created us to be. Just do your best, be happy. You know what, go compliment somebody today, do something for somebody else, because you know what, it always makes you feel better. Anyways, I love you guys. Love yourself. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.